We call this WilloWonka. It's not a composting toilet. A lot of people say that there is such a thing as waste, and in permaculture we try to say, waste from one system is the feed for another system kind of a thing. So rather than saying it's, for waste, what we do is we say that it's a willow feeder, because willow trees love that stuff. That's their candy. They're like, no, give me all of that. What we're looking at right here is the trombe wall. But there's a pipe in there. And so this is a cob mass. This is mostly black behind glass. So it gets very, very hot. And then that keeps the air moving through that pipe. And as long as that air is moving through that pipe, then it's sucking air out of the chamber inside of there. And then that would mean that when you go in there and you go like this,
take a deep breath. Smells nice. It's working. There's the pipe.
So this is the third one that was built. We started with the height of the can. We added some extra inches to facilitate a urine there. So there's plenty of room to comfortably approach the seat, use it, turn around, add your sawdust, not have to worry about falling off a ledge. And so this has a foot pump sink as well. Goes out of graywater drains. So the mulch pit design is that we want this urine water to go somewhere with a lot of carbon material.
Very nice. It's like you're on a throne up there.
I think some people call it a throne.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.